Panasonic. I think this is 55-inch smart TV. I got it for free, and I was too excited to start the job. I didn't record my first attempts. Well, the first attempts were resetting it by holding the power button without power and plugged in, holding the power button and the volume control buttons together. Nothing worked, so I opened it up, and pretty much I've removed the back side, the back cover, the shroud. Now I've checked these boards with a multimeter. This one, you see, is getting enough voltage, so the board is good. I suppose the problem comes from the lights, the LED lights, what do you call them, the LCD lights. So what we're gonna do is remove all the screens, connections, and try to see if there are any lights down there that are not working. So basically, see, I'm halfway done, so I'll keep on recording and showing you what I'm about to do. The problem with this this TV was that it was flashing 3 times. It flashes 3 times the screen, then it goes into protection mode with the red light blinking. So this is where it blinks. All right, let's get into it. So the screws are all around this area. Let me turn the light on. Yep, the screws are all around the corners of the TV. So you have to disconnect everything, the cables, and get back to the light. If anything that is important showing, I will record it, but now I'm just gonna go around and remove all the screws, and I'm gonna keep them here on this tape for not to lose them. So I've removed the screen, that's by removing all the screws that's attaching it. But something I forgot, but this screen is attached by a bunch of cables around here, and I was lucky enough not to break them. You see this, whenever you do this, be careful not to cause damage to these cables, because once they're out, yes, you're out. Also, I'm having some trouble removing this. I almost got to the backlights under this. You see, these are the backlights, but I suppose I need something else. All right, what I'm trying to what I'm gonna try and do is put that back on here, flip it around, and remove the other attachments, because these attachments, you see, they have some kind of groove they can lock into, like this bracket there locks in there. That's about it. We're back. Been out all day. Left everything like this because I had to go somewhere. Now this is how you test each LED light. I tested it because I was not patient enough to record it, but you see the one I marked here, this is the problem. The only problem, one LED light. I tested everything. This is how you test it. You put your multimeter on continuity. You see this, the one that makes the sound when it's a full circuit. So you put the, let me do this. How? So the red one should be on this side. You know, the little dot here. Yep. And the positive one here. So you do that, and it starts blinking. If there's a light, it's working. There's no light, like this one is dead. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I will check if I can short circuit this so I could continue watching with darker shade somewhere in the area, but we'll never know. So I'll get back to you after a few minutes. Okay, sorry I did it again. So what I did was removed the LED and soldered it to create a short here. The screen will be darker in this area, but who cares, man? I got this TV for free. So I will show you how it works after I put it all back. Make sure you just remove this on the tip, because I broke off this retainers, many of these retainers. Just on the tip, not too much. See? And make sure not to touch the paper thing that covers the board. So yesterday we were assembling the back, yeah, and did not work, you know. So what I found was I short circuited this one. Remember, burned this one by taking with what do you call it, with my powerful battery. So I short circuited that too. Still, the whole strip here is not powering, but all individual LED lights are working. I don't know why the strip is not working. So what I'm gonna do is, because this has a short circuited here and this short circuited here, I'm gonna exchange this strip with this one. Slowly. So this strip is gonna go there, and this strip is gonna come here. Right, like so we have swapped the strips, disconnected. Let's see which side of the strip is exactly now working. All right. Everything's lighting up except here, I think. Did you see it? So let me check that again. Well, it has finally worked. So it's gonna be dark here, it's gonna be dark here. The TV is running now. We have a working TV for free, and 4 hours of work, I think, yeah, because I was too lazy and not patient. You know, be patient. I hurt myself, you know, here, just was bleeding, but my TV is now working. I have a 55-inch Panasonic smart TV at my home now. Thank you very much. I'll see you around when I find something else to break and, you know, rebuild. So there you go. This is the TV I was making yesterday, I think the day before yesterday. I'm watching Jackie Chan for free, and also I'll show you, I'll tell you about that one. I found that on the street. It was broken. I fixed it up. Now I have a fan here when it gets warm. So that's about it. Goodbye.